This vowel has two sounds, and sra. For now, let's focus on sra. Sra used with all sound series consonant. Sra has a long sound. When you pronounce sra, you start with your mouth open. Then close your mouth slowly halfway while you pronounce it. You should feel vibration right here. Now repeat after me. Sra. Good. Here are some examples. Lơ cờ, lơ cờ. Bird, bird. Herd, herd. Europe, Europe. ក្រលើម ក្រលើម គាត់ចូលចិត្តទៅអឺរ៉ុបពេលវិស្សមកាល គាត់ចូលចិត្តទៅអឺរ៉ុបពេលវិស្សមកាល Second sound of this vowel is ស្រអ៊ឺ ស្រអ៊ឺ used with second series consonant. Sra-u has a long sound. When you pronounce Sra-u, you keep your mouth stay open while you pronounce it. You should feel vibration right here. And now, repeat after me. Ooh. 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 Good. And here are some examples. You'd. You'd. Chew. Chew. ជំងឺ ជំងឺ ព្រឺរោម ព្រឺរោម ផ្លែស្ពឺ ផ្លែស្ពឺ គាត់មកយឺតពីព្រោះគាត់ឈឺពោះ គាត់មកយឺតពីព្រោះគាត់ឈឺពោះ Good. Now let's compare the two sounds ស្រអឺ and ស្រអ៊ឺ Now you learn ស្រអឺ and ស្រអ៊ឺ Don't forget subscribe, like, and click the bell icon for notification for the next lesson. Thank you and bye for now.